Hello friends, this is Irwin and Peter, and now we're going to unpack this. So first we remove the net, and we do it quickly, or as quick as we can do. And some of them belong up here, you know. Go back and have it in many places. This nets, and now we see if this, yeah, it came off without getting glue. And we put it here in the meantime. And then now we see if we can get it up. Oh, it came off. First we can test it. Is consumed. The same thing with people. But this is merge sharp. Maybe we need peaches. Oh, cool. So good, like new air bubbles. It's kind of boring for you to look at this. I do this by myself. So, thank you for this. Hello friends, now Peter and Irwin is here again. And now I clean them and put them up. And now they're going to be glued together. This is going to make them stronger. And I put glue and clamps here, and when it's done I'm going to turn them over and I put a piece of glass fiber here too, and that's going to put them together, and then I cut them up in 5 centimeter parts, and then I drill a hole here for the rope to the lid. That's going to make a hinge. So this is a little, but you understand better later. Thank you. Hello friends, now it's later and Peter is gone, and now some gluing has been done, and here is the 2 parts coming together, making like a T-flange for the hinge, and it looks very good here in the middle, like it sits well. And it's my baco clamps from all times before. Here's the other end. And here is, I'm gluing the tracks also for the sliding hatch here in the sleeping room. And here you can see it. Here it comes it in. And it's like a little nail there. And he's there to prevent the sliding. So, and I've been cleaning it a bit, the track. It's not really done yet. And now, this is for now.